by DragonGuard. BottleTag provides secure anti-theft protection for a wide variety of bottled wine and spirits. We supply two kinds of EAS bottle solution, bottletag and bottle cap. BottleTag features adjustable multi-stringed stainless steel ring for the strap that attaches to assorted bottle neck sizes for a strong visual deterrent. Its small form factor doesn't interfere with the brand promotion and product merchandising, and its intuitive design is easily and quickly applied and removed, which helping improve the in-store operations. Bottle cap. The innovative high-tech fits most bottleneck sizes to prevent stacked in-store consumption and bottle container transfer. The transparent design provides a strong visual effect, which doesn't the brand promotion and product merchandising, and the high-tech is a desirable addition to any EAS bottle system. We can customize your brand on the product. Easy as that, secure your product with our anti-theft products. Thanks for watching.